Yes. Ito kasing operation ng Coast Guard, no? We are actually on the eastern part of Bajo de Masinloc, sa gawang silangan ng Bajo de Masinloc. On the other side, the BFAR is actually also doing the resupply operations sa ating mga mines ng Pilipino. So something like we have the Division of Labor, the eastern part of BDM, the Coast Guard will take charge of it. And then the western part, it will be the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. So according to those media who were also embedded sa mga barko ng BFAR, like kay Gio, no, they experienced water cannoning.
Meron din.
Yeah.
Okay. So, sir, bale, yun, kamusta naman yung lagay ng mga Philippine vessel at saka yung mga nakasakay doon sa mga na-water cannon?
Well, based on our initial coordination with BFAR, no, hindi naman ganun ka substantial or significant yung pagkakatama sa kanila ng water cannon. Unlike nung mga nakaraang water cannoning, no, na kung saan the structure of the vessel was actually damaged. But this time around, I think the BFAR vessels were also good in evading itong mga water cannon attacks from the part of the Chinese Coast Guard, kung kaya't hindi nila masyadong ininda yung pagtama sa kanila.